Hi, I'm Tom Baldwin. I'm the first year welding instructor here for the entry-level welding program. And today I'm going to show you how I assess my students on their daily assignments. Daily, as my students are in here working, I'm assessing them all the time. I assess what their safety procedures are, what their professionalism is, and if they're doing the assignments that they're supposed to be doing. Now, at the same time, in the classroom, I used clicker technology in there to help assess things, and they have quizzes and tests, and they also have short little discussions in class as to what went right, what went wrong during the day, and what we could actually do better. This is an example of a rubric that I used to grade this weld here, and you can see all the different points on it that I check, and there's a few others I do besides that. But then this is how I give them their grade, and I transfer it to their lab report. This is an example of a weld that failed. You can see there are several discontinuities in there that we take account of, and those are not allowed by the code, so I have to give this student a failing grade. Now, this is an example of an outstanding weld. There are absolutely no discontinuities in this weld. It's done with flux core, arc welding, and gas shielding method. After I correct my students' assignments and I hand them back their lab report that they have to submit with the assignment, what I do is I make comments on here on what they did right and what they did wrong. And they're supposed to keep this in a portfolio for themselves, so in the future, if they ever do the same type of weld again, then they can go back and refer to this and find out what they did wrong, what would help them, and how they did it right, actually. So they make themselves a complete portfolio.